Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from GRSE, Garden Research Shipbuilders and Engineers Limited, a Government of India undertaking, Ministry of Defence. So dear students, when you will go to the official website of jobapply.in GRSE 2024, here you can see welcome to the online application for the GRSE recruitment. Okay, here you can see the view detailed advertisement. When I will click here, this detailed advertisement will be open. So let's check it out. So detailed advertisement for the officer's post. Okay, as first of all, this GRSE Limited is one of the premier defense shipyards and Mini Ratna category 1 company. So this is a Mini Ratna company, dear students. Now the second thing is opening date for online registration is a 2nd August. As today is the 7th August, so now the forms are already started to filling, and the last date will be 22nd August 2024. They are going to recruit for the different branches or different categories also, but I am going to cover only for the engineers without experience. Okay, so when I am talking about here, they are having two type of the vacancies, permanent vacancy and the fixed term. So I am talking about the permanent also here. So when we are coming to the assistant manager, yes, assistant manager E1 grade 40,000 to 1 lakh 40,000 pay scale. Age limit will be 28 year. In mechanical 7 vacancies are there. Category wise division is mentioned here. What is the requirement? BE BTech in mechanical or equivalent is required with minimum 60% marks. Okay, the second is assistant manager E1, same pay scale, same age limit. Electrical 4 vacancies. BE BTech in electrical with 60% required. In electronics also, BE BTech in electronics with a 60% required. And we are having in the civil also. Okay, this is for naval. Civil is also here. Assistant manager civil, 4-year full-time degree in the civil engineering with 60% marks. Okay, this is the first thing. Now here they are having some vacancies for the fixed term also, which is the temporary. So I am not talking about this one, fixed term. And in this case they are not having even for the BE Tech fresher students. Okay, the next thing, what is the requirement? Now this is mentioned for assistant manager post. Final year studying students are also eligible to apply for the AM post. However, they have to produce the final mark sheet at the time of the interview. Okay, now so the next is education qualification for the technical post. When we are talking about technical post, means 4-year BE Tech is required here. Okay, if you are having lateral entry to the third semester of eighth semester course, okay, or second year of 4-year course, so then you are also eligible to applying here. So grouping of engineering degree, technical discipline, it is mentioned in mechanical and industrial, mechanical and production, and so on. These are the allied branches, so you can just check it out, this one also. So in electronics instrumentation, student can also apply. This is a good thing. And in electrical also, this is eligible. Now, when we are talking about here for assistant manager post, distant learning part-time courses in the concerned discipline will be allowed for the internal candidates of GRSE only. Okay, so this is for the different will be applicable for all the post except junior. Okay, so you need to show these things. It is mentioned here what you need to show. Everything is mentioned. Education qualification, we already had a discussion. Maximum age limit also I told you. Reservation is there, yes, according to the government rule. You need to check. Application procedure is mentioned. You need to go to the career section of GRSE website, which is www.grsE.in. When you will go to this website, in the career section you can see all the details. Okay, and then you need to fill the form also. What is the procedure? You can just follow. Now the important thing is selection process. So selection for all the posts except assistant manager will be through interview only. In the assistant manager, they are having written test. So I am talking about the written test only. So written test will be scheduled tentatively in the month of the September 2024 at Kolkata and Ranchi. No TA will be paid for the written test. Pattern of written test is mentioned. It will have two paper 1 and paper 2. In paper 1, discipline knowledge questions will be asked. Number of questions will be 60. Marks will be 60. And in paper 2, general management aptitude test, means mental ability, reasoning, English, data analysis or numerical ability will be there, which is having 25 question, and marks will be also 25. So overall in this one, they are having 85 question and 85 marks. Duration of written test will be 90 minutes. Question paper will be bilingual, English and Hindi. Question paper type will be objective with MCQ, multiple choice questions. Okay. Now you can just see, based on the performance in written test, candidates will be shortlisted or called to appear for the interview. And candidates appearing for the interview have to produce final year mark sheet or certificate before interview. So in this case, if you are a final year student, so make sure before final selection you need to show your mark sheet also. Okay. So for the more details, it is mentioned pay scale. We already had a discussion. So again, I'm repeating, what is the last date? Last date will be 22nd August 2024, dear students. For more details, you can check it out, the official website, which I told you. Stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel.